Hey Easy Technology fans, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing y'all how to install LSPDFR mods for GTA 5 for completely free. And this is in 2022. Now this works for Steam or Epic Games versions of the GTA 5 game as well as official Rockstar game versions. First thing you have to do is open up Google Chrome, or you can use Internet Explorer, it really doesn't matter. And we're going to go to this website. It's called www.lspdfr.com. Choose enter. Alright, it's going to take you to this. So it's going to show you a page like this. And what you want to do is in the top left, go ahead and choose the LSPDFR over here. And over here, if you go ahead and scroll down a little bit, you're going to find Get LSPDFR for GTA 5. Go ahead and choose that. And go ahead and scroll down a little bit. And again, it's going to say download LSPDFR. Go ahead and choose that. And again, go ahead and scroll down a little bit. And make sure it's the LSPD first response. And this is the latest version. Go ahead and choose download this file. And you're going to have to scroll down, read and review these terms. Scroll all the way down and choose agree and download. And the easiest method is to do the automatic installation. So that's what I'll be doing, which is this setup.exe file. So we're going to simply choose download on this first one. And the download will start. It should show up over here. So just give it a second. Alright, as you can see, it's only 63 megabytes, so it shouldn't take that long to download. Alright, once the download is all finished, go ahead and launch the file. Go ahead and choose yes to allow any changes. And you can minimize this browser. And just go ahead and follow the prompt. So it's going to ask, please select a language and choose OK. And we're going to go ahead and choose next. And you can review these terms and simply choose I agree. And just go ahead and keep all of these checked off. And you can uncheck the uninstall LSPDFR.3 if you want to. And simply choose next. And now it's going to take you to the install location. So once it asks you where you want the location for Epic Games, it would be under your C drive, program files, and it would be under Epic Games, and you would have to find GTA 5. For Rockstar, it'll be automatically detected. So once you do that, for me, I'll just leave it over here, or I can just simply change it to somewhere else. But I'll just leave it for now, and simply I'm going to choose install. And make sure this is checked off. Launch LSPD first response first time configurator and choose finish. Alright, so it's going to pull up this other configuration. So it's going to welcome you and go ahead and choose next. And go ahead and choose show license. Choose accept. And it's going to ask you if you want to change some settings. So either you can do it manually or let it do it automatically. So I'm going to choose do it for me. And as y'all can see, it says setup successful. LSPDFR has been installed successfully. So go ahead and choose OK. Alright, and from here we're going to open up the directory where we downloaded the mod. So either you can find it under your file explorer or simply open up the start menu and type in LSPDFR, and you can simply choose open file location. And this is if you don't remember exactly where you saved it. So it'll bring it up for you right over here. and simply keep this directory open. And now what you want to do is just minimize this and open up Grand Theft Auto Launcher. So I'm going to go to my Grand Theft Auto game. And I'm going to open up the launcher. Again, choose yes to allow changes. And as you can see, the game is now launching. So as the game is launching, you're going to choose Alt and Tab out of the game. So that's going to happen. And then from there, what you want to do is go to your File Explorer, and we're going to run the... So go back to this one where it has the LSPD First Response mod, and we're going to run this. So simply open it. Go ahead and scroll down. And we're going to simply run the Rage plugin hook. So go ahead and double click on that to run it. Again, choose yes to allow changes. Make sure it's this application, Rage plugin hook. Alright, so this is going to run it with your game. So as you can see, it's doing some things, and you can simply choose yes on this. And choose OK. And now if you go back and minimize this, as you launch and play the game, it'll show you the plugin hook and it will run it with this game as you are playing. But it might take some time. And however, for me, it probably doesn't work because my GTA 5 game is not from official Rockstar Game or Steam. So my game might not necessarily work, but however for yours, this is how you can download this LSPDFR mod. Alright, so that's going to conclude my tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed it and benefited from it. Make sure to like the video, share it to all your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.